Hello there, everybody. This is Lee Gaus coming at you again from the offices of International Futures Group and EFG Group here in Chicago. And it's Thursday and another day for Numberology and those critical closes that may turn the trends tomorrow. Again, all the prices I talk about in terms of what will turn a trend is based on a Friday weekly close. And we've got a lot of stuff to talk about today. First of all, last week crude oil did go negative or turned bearish, and just wanted to bring you up to date on that. But this coming week, tomorrow's close is what I'm talking about. The prices needed to reverse the trend. So tomorrow, if D's corn closes at or below 370 1/4, it turns bearish. And just before we came in here to film, it was trading at 376 1/2. January beans, if they close at or above 893 1/4, they turn bullish. And they were trading at 878 1/4 just before we came in here. Interesting thing about the January beans, if you look at it week to week, last Friday to what they may have needed to turn the trend this Friday, they were only a nickel apart. And right now, obviously, they're sitting at about 15 cents apart. So that may be an indication that while they got close to a potential change, we may see some significant continued weakness in the bean market. D's wheat, if it closes at or below 504, it turns bearish. It was at 513 just before taping. D's cattle at or above 146.07 turns bullish, and they were at 144.17. D's cotton at or below 61.70 turns bearish. They were trading at 62.38. The coffee market, my favorite. If D's coffee closes at or below 119 even, it turns bearish, and it was trading at 118.45. The 10-year December 10-year note, if it closes at or below 127.20, it turns bearish. It was at 127.28. The E-mini S&P, this is kind of a no-brainer, folks. If it closes at or above 1963 tomorrow, it turns bullish, and it was trading at 2077 just before taping. The U.S. dollar, the DEES U.S. dollar index closes at or above 95.33, it turns bullish. It was at 97.70. The DEES Canadian dollar, if it closes at or below 76.34, it turns bearish, and it was trading at 75.78. The DEES Australian dollar, if it closes at or below 71.89, it turns bearish, and it was trading at 70.57. And finally, your DEES euro currency at or below 113.74 turns bearish, and it's another no-brainer as it last at or was trading at 110.12. So again, these prices are based upon tomorrow's close in terms of if we see a trend change. Keep in mind that trading commodities, commodity futures, options on commodities is risky, underline is, and always be aware of the risk that you are assuming if you get involved in the futures market. One other note, keep your eyes on or ears open or watch us for a significant announcement we're going to make next week, as we will be introducing a new product that you'll be able to tune into that will put a little more meat on the bone. We hope, anyways, we think and we hope that you'll find it useful. Again, this has been Lee Gaus here at the offices of International Futures Group, EFG Group here in Chicago, wishing you a great trading Friday and a wonderful weekend.